Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes, and here are my friends Steve and Lisa Hollet.
Hi.
Hi.
Elvie, thanks for coming out on this snowy day.
So I'm here, and we want to talk about what happened. This is our building site of the house we built a year ago.
Yeah, so down here, just beyond the broken tree, a year ago, Meadowlark built us a gorgeous modified Heart's Content. And we were well on our way to our dream. We were about 6 weeks from moving in. And I was doing the floor and the cabinets and the final. And then we had the Elmo Fire.
So on August 1st, our dream home burned down. All the hard work that Meadowlark had done, all of Steve's sweat equity was just gone in a matter of minutes. So
we weren't sure what we were going to do.
Yeah.
And then we got a call from Elvie. And Elvie, we were staying in a motel.
We were homeless for 5 days, but we were still in a hotel, and Elvie drove all the way down to see us.
Give us a hug.
To give us a hug, to pray, and to figure out what's next. And the Meadowlark family really helped us decide what we wanted to do next.
So,
and it's right there.
With a plan, we came up with a rebuild.
We decided to rebuild and start over with Meadowlark's help and the community and everything.
Yeah. So that was the house right behind them, and then the lake that we can't see is down that way.
It's a beautiful lake.
Yeah, so that burned down. We cleared all this land, brought the dozer over, and then here, about a year later, there it is. Bighorn Rancher.
Beautiful.
Good morning, everyone. I am in my Ram truck and trailer. I'm hauling logs up the mountain. We had to unload the logs from the semi-truck down at the bottom by the highway, and then I take the one loader and put them on the trailer, haul them up, unload them up here at the site because the building site is too tight. The road's too narrow to get the logs up with a semi-truck. So that's what I'm doing today, and then tomorrow we start setting logs.
I hope you enjoyed this time lapse of this beautiful log home we built in northwest Montana by Flathead Lake. And you'll see the video that started from the bare ground all the way through finishing the roof, windows, and doors. So follow along. can see it's on a daylight basement, and you can see the garage back there with his Trump library right here, which is pretty cool. And you've got the railing, you've got the great room, valley glass up there. You've got a daylight basement down here. You've got the 2 dormers up on top. Then you've got a 45-degree angle porch going around here. He will have stairs coming off the end right here. And his little bathroom over here. It's a really, really nice house and really nice design. Let's keep going around the front side. Gonna be a great view from his bathroom window, soaking in his copper tub. We're still gonna have to get our trailer out of here, which could be a challenge. Load up a few more items here. One more look at this great room, or monarch entry we call it. There's log railing. He'll have steps right here. By the way, you guys like our cooler? Keeps everything nice and cold or hot. We foamed it. All right, we're in the living room area here. Again, check it out, way up there. He's got some really tall gables. And here we've got the railing that protects the stair opening. Then we build him a stairway that goes down to the basement. And in there's gonna be his bedroom. Turned out super nice. There's this copper tub that's gonna go in that little room. And again, that window little dormer is just so he can hang up like maybe an elk head or something like that, hopefully sometime. And let's go check out like the kitchen area here. Here's got a patio door going out into his deck from the kitchen, and look at that view. Pretty hard to beat, isn't it? So here he's got this kitchen area right here. An archway. I think there'll be like a wall in here with maybe some pantry space. And this is his library on the inside here. I think around here. This will be his doorway leading to his garage. And his garage right here. Big 2-car garage. So there you have it. Pretty awesome. Well, the owner loved his house so much he ended up getting a tattoo. This has got to be the first Meadowlark tattoo I have ever seen, but I love it.